Cats are known for their wide range of vocalizations, from soft purring to loud meows, but one of the most striking sounds they can make is the yowl. This loud, drawn-out vocalization often occurs when a cat is left alone, and it can leave owners wondering why their pet is expressing itself in such a way. Yowling is generally associated with a sense of distress or discomfort, and for many cats, it is a form of communication that reflects their emotional state when separated from their human companions. One of the primary reasons cats yowl when left alone is separation anxiety. Cats are highly social creatures, and many form strong bonds with their owners. When they are left alone for extended periods, especially in a new or unfamiliar environment, they can become anxious, fearful, or stressed. This anxiety can manifest in vocalizations such as yowling, which serves as a way for the cat to express its discomfort and call out for attention or reassurance. Separation anxiety in cats can occur for a variety of reasons, including a recent change in the household, the introduction of a new pet or person, or a change in the cat's daily routine. Cats that have been raised in particularly close environments with their owners may be especially prone to developing separation anxiety, as they may not have learned to cope with being alone. Yowling in these situations is a cat's way of expressing its distress and attempting to re-establish contact with its human. Another possible explanation for yowling when left alone is boredom or a lack of stimulation. Cats, particularly those that are left alone for long hours during the day, may become bored or restless. Without enough mental and physical stimulation, a cat may resort to vocalizing as a way of filling the silence and seeking interaction. Yowling can be an attention-seeking behavior, and a cat may use it to express its need for social interaction, play, or enrichment. In some cases, the yowling may be a form of self-soothing or a way for the cat to cope with the monotony of being alone. Cats that are left in environments without sufficient toys, climbing structures, or windows to watch the outside world may feel trapped or isolated, leading to increased vocalizations as a way of expressing their frustration. Physical discomfort can also be a contributing factor to yowling when left alone. If a cat is in pain or feeling unwell, it may vocalize loudly as a way of signaling its discomfort. Cats are adept at hiding signs of pain or illness, so their yowls may be one of the few ways they can communicate that something is wrong. Conditions such as urinary tract infections, dental problems, or arthritis can cause a cat to experience discomfort, and the yowling may be an expression of this pain. Additionally, if a cat is hungry or thirsty, it may yowl in an attempt to attract the attention of its owner and prompt them to fulfill its basic needs. Yowling due to discomfort is usually accompanied by other signs of illness or distress, such as changes in appetite, behavior, or litter box habits. Some cats may also yowl when left alone as a result of territorial behavior or a sense of insecurity. Cats are territorial animals by nature, and they often feel the need to protect their space. When left alone, a cat might feel vulnerable or exposed, particularly if it is in a new or unfamiliar environment. Yowling can be a way for the cat to assert its presence and warn off potential threats, even if those threats are not immediately visible. This territorial response may be more pronounced in cats that are naturally more anxious or reactive. Yowling in these cases is less about seeking attention and more about expressing the cat's desire to establish control over its space. In some cases, yowling when left alone can also be a learned behavior. If a cat has previously received attention or reassurance from its owner when it yowled, it may begin to associate the vocalization with a positive outcome. This reinforcement can lead to a cycle in which the cat continues to yowl whenever it is left alone, hoping to receive attention or comfort. Over time, this behavior can become ingrained, and the cat may learn to use yowling as a way of coping with being alone or as a way to manipulate its owner into providing attention. Another possible reason for yowling when left alone is a lack of routine or unpredictability in the cat's environment. Cats are creatures of habit, and they often feel more secure when their daily routine is consistent and predictable. If a cat's routine is disrupted, whether due to a change in the owner's schedule, moving to a new home, or other environmental changes, the cat may become stressed and respond by yowling. This vocalization is an attempt to cope with the uncertainty and reassert control over its environment. Finally, it is worth considering that some cats simply have more vocal personalities than others. Just as some people are more talkative, some cats are naturally more vocal and expressive. These cats may yowl more frequently when left alone, even if they are not experiencing anxiety or distress. In these cases, yowling is simply part of the cat's communication style and may not necessarily indicate a deeper emotional issue. In conclusion, there are a variety of reasons why some cats yowl when left alone. Separation anxiety, boredom, physical discomfort, territorial behavior, and learned behaviors are all potential factors that can contribute to this vocalization. Understanding the underlying cause of a cat's yowling is key to addressing the behavior and finding appropriate solutions. Providing mental and physical stimulation, maintaining a consistent routine, and addressing any potential health issues can help reduce the frequency of yowling and improve the cat's overall well-being. In some cases, working with a veterinarian or animal behaviorist may be necessary to identify the root cause and develop a plan to help the cat cope with being left alone.